In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create rocks in Blender. So what you want to do is click Shift A and go to Rock Generate. Then down in the left corner, you see all these settings. You can change the way your rock looks or how many rocks you want to put in. You can change the detail. And that's pretty much it that you can do in this settings. And then if you want to add in a texture, you can go to Blender Kit and download that add-on. And once you have opened the add-on in Blender, you can go over to it and select a texture image that you like. And there's also there's thousands of images you can choose from. So there's a big variety. Just make sure that you have proper lighting for it to work. And there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.